Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, November 1st. Slow improvement continues here in the mid-Atlantic and northeastern part of the country. We still have a deep upper level trough over the northeastern states, and that will continue cloud cover for the most part the rest of today. There can be some sunny intervals, but as we approach the weekend and move through the weekend, there will be kind of an increase in terms of percentage of sunshine each day. The next big potential weather system to deal with may be a nor'easter about the early part of next week, Tuesday night, Wednesday time frame. That certainly is nothing on the scale of what Sandy was, but has to be watched because there is some cold air that will be around, and it could very well result in some snow up in New England, for example. But it's still too early to say even if that storm will have an effect on the mid-Atlantic region, as it could stay off the coast. But we'll talk about that in a couple of minutes. Here's the very latest surface map. Still some low pressure here in southeastern Canada, kind of broken apart. Remains of Sandy. There's still quite a cool flow behind it. Breezy conditions right into the mid-Atlantic and northeast. And basically we're in a cool pattern for the next several days. In fact, right here we can see the beginnings of another cool Canadian high pressure system, and it looks like the overall cool pattern will continue for the next several days. But at least through the upcoming weekend, it looks like it'll stay relatively dry in the mid-Atlantic and northeast. There can be a scattered shower or two, but for the most part, dry with slowly increasing amounts of sunshine. Here's the latest infrared satellite loop from the SSEC Wisconsin website. Still lots of clouds here associated with that deep upper level trough. Some scattered showers, and we'll take a look at the radar in a moment, but some scattered showers throughout the mid-Atlantic region. And again, there can be a shower at just about any time, but there also can be a sunny interval, brief sunny interval at just about any time. Lots of clear skies out in the middle part of the country. And again, more cool, chilly air, Canadian high pressure building up in south central Canada, and that'll continue a cool weather pattern here in the eastern half of the country for the next several days. Here's the latest radar loop and a general flow out of the northwest here, keeping us cool, well below normal. Normal highs, for example, right now in Philadelphia it's still in the low 60s, and we've been and will continue to be below normal for the next several days. Some pockets of showers here, and there can be a shower at just about any time along the I-95 corridor later on today. However, there can also be some sunny intervals as well. Well, let's kind of jump ahead to the next potential weather system to deal with here in the mid-Atlantic and northeastern part of the country. That's a possible nor'easter towards the middle part of next week. Election Day, of course, is Tuesday, and it looks like anywhere from late Tuesday through Wednesday there may be a nor'easter to deal with. And this is the computer forecast map for next Tuesday afternoon, and it's from the latest GFS model run. A couple things to point out. First of all, cold high pressure sitting right here in the northeastern part of the country. Here's one indication of how chilly the air is, kind of a rain-snow dividing line right here. The 0Z temperature isotherm at 850 millibars, just 1,000 or 1,500 feet up in the atmosphere. But also notice quite a bit of precipitation here off the east coast, off the southeast coast at this time, and it becomes kind of inclement weather conditions here, and it sticks around. And by Wednesday, let's now jump ahead to the Wednesday map. All that results in quite an impressive looking nor'easter here come Wednesday afternoon. Now again, most of the precipitation is holding off the coast, but it's close enough certainly that it has to be closely monitored. And again, there's cold high pressure here sitting to the north with a chilly air mass, and it's a chilly pattern here. We're now in November. It looks like basically the month of November looks like it'll be a pretty chilly month here in the mid-Atlantic and northeastern part of the country. So this is the potential threat coming up for around Tuesday night, Wednesday, and we'll continue to monitor that over the next several days. But there will be some cold air around. It could result in some snow, especially in places like northern New England towards the middle part of next week. Well, that's it for now. For the SIweather.com, I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.